Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, consider hitting the like and subscribe button. It'll help me out a lot. I hope that this video is going to be helpful, useful for some of you girls out there who are not necessarily wanting to be professional makeup artists, but you just want to look your best. So this is a fake eyelash tip that I use whenever I use fake eyelashes, and it changes up your makeup game. It really does, at least from my perspective, and I'm shocked that makeup artists, when I go to them, they never do this for me. Even people who I have hired, people who are on professional makeup sets, no one ever does makeup on me as well as I do it on myself. And it is mind-boggling and I don't understand it. So I have had to develop my own kind of makeup tips. All right, so this is my normal makeup without, I haven't curled my eyelashes. I haven't done anything to my eyelashes. And so I'm going to show you this trick that honestly really makes your eyes pop, at least compared to the way other makeup artists would do my fake eyelashes and also my makeup. So this is like the biggest tip that I have to make your eyes pop with fake eyelashes. So first, you're going to curl your eyelashes, which you guys can do. And this is by Shiseido, this eyelash curler, and it is the best. I've tried a few different ones. And so I kind of like pump the eyelash curler a little bit. I don't know why. It's like the illusion of it working faster, I guess. All right, and then the eyelashes I'm going to be using are actually, I got this on Amazon. They were cheap. They're called Alice. I mean, it's just some generic brand online, and they're pretty good. I like actually the Wispies by Ardell. Those are probably my favorite. This is how I put my fake eyelashes on. So I take the glue. So this is the best glue. Y'all probably know what this glue is. Oops. It is by Duo. I put just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Oh, oops, that's a lot. But anyway, I put a little bit on my hand here. But this is how I put the glue on. Oh my God, please focus. All right, so the way I put the glue on is I just kind of dip. Oh, it's not focusing. So anyway, but I dip it like this. So then you can kind of see I have a very thin line of the glue here. This is where the trick comes in, guys. So I'm gonna have to look at the mirror over here, but I put it on normally, right? And I do it with my fingers. I just kind of stick it on. Probably should have dried a little bit more. Stick it on, and so usually, they would just kind of leave it like that, right? But I do this extra step in which I then push it up. So I push it up so you get more eyelash for the fake eyelashes. And honestly, this opens your eyes up so well. This is basically, when I used to wear false eyelashes like every single day. Yes, I used to wear them every single day. This is basically what I would do. And then makeup artists, whenever I would see them, they would be like, "Oh, wow, your eye makeup looks so good." And I'm like, "Yeah, I know, because I did it." This is going to focus. Oh gosh, it wants to focus on my face. Okay, so anyway, so I go like that. And just dip it in. Like, look how much more open this eye is than this eye. Right, so then I put my eyelashes on here. Right, so you're putting it on normally, right? That's normal. This is normally. And then I take the extra step and I push it up. I push up. And voila. And there you go. And I got a little glue in my hair. But that is my lazy girl makeup trick that honestly will change your look, at least in my opinion. I feel like it really totally changes my look. So that is my eyelash makeup trick. If this was helpful for you, or if you're excited to try this out, or if you do this yourself, then hit the like button and consider hitting the subscribe button. I will be back with more makeup tutorial tips for the lazy Asian girl, because I am not a professional makeup artist, but I have gotten compliments from professional makeup artists when I've shown up with my own makeup on. They're like, "Wow, you look great." So I at least passed the test of looking like I do professional makeup on myself. If you want some more makeup tutorial tips for the non-professional makeup artist, because I know that when I look at makeup tutorials online, I can barely really figure out what they're doing. I appreciate what they're doing. I love watching it, but then I can't actually apply it to my own face for some reason. So I hope that this has been helpful, and I will see you all later. Bye.